Using the MIT 2500 integrated guard terminal for accurate PV array testing. During solar commissioning or maintenance checks, it is important to use a mme-ae, such as the Megger MIT 2500, to test the integrity of the conductors in your PV array. A mme-ae's insulation resistance test measures two components: current leakage through the insulation and current leakage over the insulation material. Many of the Megger insulation testers feature a guard terminal, such as the MIT 1025 10 kV model as shown here. The current leaking through the insulation without the surface leakage is the true measure of the safety and quality of the conductors and insulation you're testing. The Megger MIT 2500 is the only handheld mme-ae with a guard terminal, which eliminates or greatly reduces the effect of surface leakage on the test results. Common environmental conditions, such as high humidity, dirt, grease, or other natural contaminants, affect the amount of surface leakage, causing unreliable test results. Rooftop and ground-mounted solar arrays often have exposed conductors, frequently over long distances. This can result in more contaminants present, and without the guard terminal, tests will give a falsely low resistance value. Inaccurate testing can lead to needless replacement of costly conductors that may not even need to be replaced. The Megger MIT 2500 and the use of its guard terminal feature ensures reliable and accurate insulation resistance testing. For more details on how to analyze your test results and more, find videos and documentation for the MIT 2500 on our website.